Hello friend, this is from Caviar Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 5 liters model horizontal bin mixer for Nicaragua client, which is used in the fertilizer and agriculture nutrient complex powder mixing industry. The whole mixer, we make it stainless steel and mill polish for the material contact part, even including the left part electricity cabinet. For the motors part, we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer connected directly to support the strong power. For the discharging part, we equipped a manual valve on the middle bottom of the chamber. Let's take a run to see it. This is the top lid part. We make a separate open way. This is the safety sensors and dust catcher remover. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. Let's focus on the cabinet panel. This is an inverter panel, and the speed would be displayed on the inverter screen after speed set. This is speed up, speed down. Voltmeter and meter emergency stop button, start and close. Now I start it to make a simple test for it. I start it. Now it works. I use a ladder to go to the top part to see the inside situation. This is the top situation. The top lid can be opened easily with the help of the pneumatic support. Now we can see we equipped 2 protection net, and inside a 2 layers horizontal ribbons. In this way, the powder material can be mixed well. And now, I would like to test the max speed of it. Here it is, 46. This is the max speed. Working stable. And now I would like to test the safety protection system. Remove any one of the 2 protection nets without any operation on the control panel. The mixer will stop work. Like this. Remove little. And we can see that the mixer stopped. This is the safety protection system for it. So, just now I have made a simple introduction and test for the basic situation and function of the new finished 5 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer made for Nicaragua client, used in powder material mixing industry. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact us for more information. This is from Caviar Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.